Aloha and welcome to the computer tutorial of how to apply for extra help through the Social Security Administration website. Before we start, please read our disclaimer. The first step is to open your browser. Next, find your search bar and type ssa.gov. Then press enter or return. This will take you to the home page of the Social Security Administration's website. Please be sure to view the other links and resources below as you may find them helpful. To access other languages, bring the arrow over the word Languages. It will turn yellow. Click the left button on your mouse. Next, bring the arrow to hover over the three lines between the looking glass icon and the earth icon. The three lines will turn yellow. Select the three lines by clicking the left button on your mouse when the lines are yellow. Bring the arrow over Extra Help with Medicare Prescription Drug Plan Costs. The words will turn red. Then click on the left button on your mouse to select. Scroll down to see the many ways to apply for extra help. You can apply for extra help by phone, request a paper application, or schedule an appointment at your local Social Security Administration office. To find your local Social Security Administration office, click the link provided. There is also a link that provides instructions on how to apply as a guideline. This is what the paper copy will look like should you request for the application to be mailed to you. To find your local Social Security Administration office, click on the box next to the word ZIP and type your zip code. Then left click on your mouse when your arrow is over the word Locate. The next page will provide you with information for your local Social Security office. Click on the Get Map and directions to view map. Back on the Apply for Extra Help page, be sure to scroll further down to explore links with other helpful information like the Medicare Savings Program. To apply online, you want to left click on your mouse when the arrow is over the Apply Online for Extra Help button. It will change to a darker blue when selected. The next page provides you with information on the Extra Help application, who should apply, and how you can get the extra help. Scroll down and left click using your mouse when the arrow is over the Apply Now button. At the bottom of the page below Apply Now, there is a Return to an Existing Application button. If you are returning and saved a prior application, use this button. Take note of the warning, do not use your browser's back button on the top of the page. The next page provides information of what documents you will need on hand in order to make applying easier. Below that section, there are instructions on how to save the application, should you need to stop and come back later. Please be sure to read the How Long Can You Work on Each Page section before clicking on the next button. On the next page, please answer each question by selecting No or Yes. To do this, bring your arrow above the bubble and left click on your mouse to select the appropriate answer. To select the state, left click on your mouse after you bring the arrow over the box with the double dash and a drop-down menu will appear. Bring the arrow to your state and left click on your mouse. Do the same for the marital status question and select the appropriate answer. Then click Next at the bottom of the page. If you have already gathered the list of documents that will be helpful to have on hand while applying, you can go ahead and click the Apply Now button at the bottom of the page. The next page is the online application. If someone is assisting you in applying for extra help, they will need to complete the first section by clicking in the boxes and typing answers appropriately. Clicking in the Relationship to Application box, a pop-up menu will appear. They can select the appropriate answer. If Other is selected, click on the More Info link to see what abbreviations would be appropriate for the agency assisting you. The abbreviation will go into the Other box. Complete the next fields accordingly. The next section is about the primary applicant. Continue to complete each section accordingly. For the suffix, click on the double dash and select the appropriate title from the drop-down menu. For the primary applicant's date of birth, a drop-down menu will appear when you click on the double dash in the box marked month. Select the appropriate answer and continue with the next fields. The next section asks for information about the applicant's spouse. Complete each field accordingly as instructed before. In the next section, provide the applicant's contact information. The last section, titled Other Information, is optional. Fill this section out if you want the Social Security Administration to contact someone else if there are additional questions. Click the Next button when you are done. You will notice that as you progress, the numbers will be highlighted at the top of the page. Number 1, complete application. 2, review. 3, submit. 4, print receipt. Be sure to print a copy for your records. Select the Next button on the left bottom corner of each page to progress to the next stage. Congratulations, you have completed your Extra Help application. If you receive a purple letter in the mail in response to your application, that means you qualify for Extra Help. Go to the search box of your browser and type hawaiiship.org. Click on the left button of your mouse when the arrow is over the X at the top of the right announcement. Select Resources and be sure to make time to review the different links with valuable information below. Click the left button on your mouse when your arrow is over the word Contact. This page provides you with the contact information and location so you can connect with the Hawaii State Health Insurance Assistance Program. You can request a counselor, presentation, volunteer, and obtain free helpful publications. Click on Free Publications to request more informative brochures, the current Medicare handbook, and calendar while supplies last. Complete your contact information in the following boxes. In the How I Heard About Hawaii Ship box, type Alulike, and in parentheses, type Kelsey and Miley to let them know that you viewed our video. Go to the Hawaii State Health Insurance Program website by scanning the QR code with your phone, or go to your internet browser and type hawaiiship.org to learn more about upcoming events and more. If you are interested in becoming a Hawaii Ship volunteer, you may go to the volunteer link provided in the description of this video or call the Hawaii Ship Helpline provided here on our resource slide. Go to the Social Security Administration website by scanning the QR code with your smartphone, or go to your internet browser and type ssa.gov. If you have questions or need assistance, contact the Social Security Administration by calling the toll-free number provided here on our resource slide. Mahalo again for watching our Applying for Extra Help computer instruction video.